So today I'm going to talk on charging stations. It is high time to know the different charging stations as Government of India, Government of Gujarat and various states has already declared their electric vehicle policies. So let us see first is what are the types of charging stations. Okay, so based on electric vehicle policy, there are three terms used: PCS, CCS and BCS. PCS is public charging station, which is normally open to anyone having electric vehicle, and he can charge at that particular point, and there will be a fixed rate defined by the owner of the charging stations. Generally, when we say public charging station, so the government agencies are there. CCS has basically two terms. One is combined charging station, that is basically combined charging system rather, but it is said combined charging station in which you can have more than two terminals, which is based on some protocols as well as the type of supply, maybe AC and DC. Then there is a captive charging station. So basically captive charging stations are owned by a particular company. Say for example XYZ auto company is there, and he is the supplier of the vehicle, and they themselves are the owner of the charging stations. So that kind of charging stations are going to be captive charging stations. Another is normal term, that is battery charging station, which will be open to any kind of vehicle, and that can be owned by a private company or maybe any agency, and that will be helpful for two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler. There are other classifications based on supply and capacity: AC charging station, DC charging station, or either combination of the two. Okay, and there are level 1, level 2 and level 3 charging stations. uh, After some time I'm going to tell you what is level 1, 2 and 3 charging station. There are also mode 1, 2, 3 and 4 charging stations. So basically mode 1 and 2 are slow charging, and that is AC charging stations. Mode 3 is generally slow and fast kind of charging station. Of course, that is AC only. And mode 4 is charging station which has DC supply. So mode 1, 2 and 3 are AC charging stations. Mode 1 and 2 are generally slow charging stations. Mode 3 is fast, and mode 4 is fast as well as DC charging station. There are also classifications based on sockets and outlets uh, point, that is charging points used, and that is IEC 62196. According to that, there are classifications given that maybe type 1, 2 and 3. Okay, in some European countries people are using this word. Still it is about to finalize. There are other definitions based on time of charging, that is SCS or SC, MCS and FCS. So SCS is basically slow charging station, and generally that will charge complete battery within 20 to 30 minutes. Moderate charging stations generally used to take 30 minutes to 1 hour, and sorry, that's a mistake. Slow charging stations used to take almost more than 1 hour. Moderate is going to take for half an hour to 1, and fast charging stations are generally less than 30 minutes, and that is being declared. So based on time of charging battery, that is SCS, MCS and FCS. Okay, there are also classification based on the location of the charger. If your charger is within the vehicle, that is called on-board charging. If charger is not at all there, some vehicle manufacturers, to reduce the weight of electric vehicle, they give off-board charging. So in that case the charger will be outside of the vehicle. Okay, and sometimes if your charger is at domestic, that means at home, So that is going to be domestic charging stations. It is available in the market, and public charging stations which are outside your residential areas, and that is also available in the market. There are private charging stations, as I had already talked. The owner will be a private corporation or private incorporation, private company, and there will be public charging station, that is government owner. So that is the difference and the terms used in various policies. Okay, and based on some European standards, American standards, and Indian standards, we have different charging stations. So still, all over the world, there is not any fixed standardized. So European countries follow some different standard. American standards are different, and we have Indian standards also. But mostly, all the standards are going to come, and there will be summary or conclusion, or either all the standards derives from IEC 61851. Okay, so IEC 61851 is the main source where you can find the different standards for charging station. Let us see one by one. One is European standard. So in European countries, they use the term normal power, medium power, high power charging. And in case of high power, there are three-phase AC and DC charging. So normal power is having single phase AC, that is up to 3.7 kilowatt, and the current maximum is up to 10 to 16 ampere. Generally, that is used at domestic level. Medium power charging methods are single phase or maybe three phase, and generally if it is above 3.7, then it goes to three phase AC, which has maximum current rating up to 32 ampere, and generally that is semi-public. When I say semi-public, the European countries have the local colony based charging stations. In case of high power, there are two classification based on the connection and supply, that is three phase AC and DC, and both are above 22 kilowatt. In case of AC, we have 32 ampere and greater, which is public charging station. But in case of DC, the current rating is up more than 200 ampere, and of course that is also public charging station. In case of American standard, we have AC level 1, AC level 2, DC level 3. As I had earlier talked, level 1, level 2, level 3. So based on that, that is level 1 and 2 are AC basically, and that is with 120 volt and 240 volt, having current 12 ampere and 32 ampere. Okay, and maximum power rating, that is 1.44 to 7.7 kilowatt, and both are on board chargers. That means vehicle owns the charger, so the charger will be within the vehicle. Okay, so level 1 and level 2 both are AC. They are of 120 and 240 volt, that is up to 32 ampere, and the power rating is up to 7.7 kilowatt. In case of DC, the level 3, the voltage ranges, that is 208 to 600 volt DC. The maximum current is 400 ampere, and the power rating goes to 240 kilowatt. Okay, with latest work, it goes about 350 kilowatt. But all the chargers are off-board chargers, and which have multiple guns for the connection to the vehicle. Okay, and there is Indian standard also. We have this home charging, then public charging with Bharat AC 001 and Bharat DC 001. Normally all these things are now available in the market. Home charging is onboard charger, and that is up to 2.5 kilowatt, which goes maximum current of 12 ampere, and that is slow charger. Then Bharat AC 001, which is available in single phase as well as three phase, with 230 volt in case of single phase as usual, and three phase is 415 volt. The maximum current rating is 16 ampere, and the power rating goes to 3 times 3.3, that is 9.9 kilowatt. So you can consider 10 kilowatt charger, but that is onboard charger and slow charger. Okay, in Bharat DC 001, we have potential voltage 48 and 72, maximum current is up to 200, the maximum power rating 15 kilowatt, in latest it goes up to 28 kilowatt also, and that is off-board charger. So generally we can understand that all the AC chargers available as per the American standard and Indian standard, both are having onboard chargers, but DC chargers are generally off-board chargers, and they are fast charging stations. Okay, so now let us understand some terminology to read various policies or related to charging stations. One is said UNFCCC, that is United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Then IPCC, that is Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. GHG, that is greenhouse gases. 2W, 3W, 4W are two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler respectively. PV is passenger vehicle, not photovoltaic. PV is passenger vehicle. CV is commercial vehicle. EV is electric vehicle. Sometimes it is used BEV, that is battery EV. Okay, battery operated EV, that means it is not hybrid. EVS is mostly used in all the policies, that is electric vehicle supply equipment. EVSE is electric vehicle supply equipment. SC is slow charger. FC is fast charger. BS is battery swap or battery swapping. PCS is public charging stations. PCI is public charging infrastructure. Private CI is private charging infrastructure. MBBL, that is model building bylaws as per 216. Okay, URDPFI, that is urban and regional development plan formulation and implementation guidelines according to 2014. NSP is network service provider, basically that is for data collection purpose and all. Similarly, SP is service provider. So you will come across this terminology while you refer any kind of policy. Okay, there are some other words, that is CHAdeMO, V2G, SAJ 1772, IC 62196, GHG, some protocols and nodal agency. Okay, regarding all this I'll tell you in next videos, so wait for my next videos. So before that, in this particular video, if you have question, you can drop into the comment or contact to me. Thank you. So today